May 27, 2021, the bright moon is in the west this morning, near the star Antares. Bright Jupiter and Saturn are in the southeast before sunrise. Chart caption: the night portion of the moon is gently illuminated by sunlight reflected from Earth's oceans, land, and clouds. By Jeffrey L. Hunt. Chicago, Illinois, sunrise, 5:21 a.m. CDT, sunset, 8:16 p.m. CDT. Check local sources for sunrise and sunset times for your location. If you sleep in a south-facing room, bright moonlight likely streamed through the curtains last night and softly illuminated your room. Outside, the moonlight easily cast shadows of terrestrial features. The bright, moonlit landscape we experience when the moon is near its full phases is like what we see on the moon when it displays its crescent phases. The earthshine reflects from Earth's oceans, land, and clouds to lightly illuminate the lunarscapes. Chart caption: 2021, May 27, 1 hour before sunrise, the bright moon is 9.3 degrees to the upper left of Antares in the southwest. This morning, 1 hour before sunrise, the moon is low in the southwest, 9.3 degrees to the upper left of Antares. Chart caption: 2021, May 27, bright morning planets, Jupiter and Saturn, are in the southeast before sunrise. The star Fomalhaut is near the horizon. Farther eastward, Jupiter and Saturn are low in the southeast. Jupiter is trekking eastward in Aquarius, while Saturn is retrograding in Capricornus. The star below Jupiter and near the horizon is Fomalhaut. Articles and summaries. Venus as an evening star. Venus evening star, summary Mercury during May 2021. Mars during 2021, summary Mars during May 2021. Planets during May 2021. Detailed note: 1 hour before sunrise, the bright moon, 15.6D, 99%, is over 14 degrees above the southwest horizon, 9.3 degrees to the upper left of Antares. Farther eastward, Saturn is less than 1/3 of the way up in the south-southeast. Saturn is slowly retrograding in Capricornus, 0.6 degrees to the right of Theta Cap. Saturn reversed its direction less than a week ago. Jupiter, moving eastward in Aquarius, is 17.7 degrees to the lower left of Saturn. The Jovian giant is the brightest star in the region. With the moon's brightness, use a binocular to see this giant planet pair against the distant stars. This morning, Jupiter is 2.5 degrees to the lower left of Iota Acher, 4.2 degrees to the lower right of Theta Acher, and 4.4 degrees to the upper right of Sigma Acher. Sirius sets at sunset, with the star's setting time changing 4 minutes each evening and the sun's setting time changes a minute each day. This is the date with the shortest interval between sunset and star set, 2 minutes. During the early evening, Venus, Mercury, and Mars line up along a diagonal line. Begin looking with a binocular about 30 minutes after sunset. Brilliant Venus is nearly 8 degrees up in the west-northwest. Mercury, m equals 2.0, is 1.2 degrees to the upper left of Venus. 15 minutes later, Venus is over 5 degrees up, while Mercury is over 6 degrees above the west-northwest horizon. Note that Venus is 4.6 degrees to the lower left of Elnath. At this hour, Mars is less than 1/3 of the way up in the west in front of the stars of Gemini. By 1 hour after sunset, Venus is 3.0 degrees up in the sky, while Mercury is about 4 degrees in altitude. In the darker sky, note that Mars is between Delta Gem and Kappa Gem. The red planet is 2.7 degrees to the upper left of Delta Gem, 3.3 degrees to the lower right of Kappa Gem, and 5.8 degrees to the lower left of Pollux. 3 hours after sunset, the moon, 16.4D, 95%, is nearly 8 degrees above the southeast horizon.